Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your travel preferences on the Qatar Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner and then click on my interests, choose preferences in the middle of the screen. And after that, you should wait a few seconds till it loads, and then you can add your preferences in terms of meals, seat and preferred airport. So click on this travel preferences button at the top, then to this edit button in the upper right corner of this section. Then you can select your preferred departure airport. You can add 3, so type in their name and click on the relevant one. Then you can set your meal preference, your preferred seat, aisle seat or window seat. Then you can also set your holiday preferences, and here you can tell your other preferences such as shopping, cinema, food, music and so on, and then click on the save changes button down below to upload this section, and every information will be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.